your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship.
9.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, today my senior Mr. L.R. Mozumdar, he has some personal difficulties, Lordship.
Mr.
A. Islam, on behalf of
Islam
L.R.
Learned Council. For the appellant has submitted that in this appeal he is being led by Mr. L.R. Mozumdar, Council, who has some personal difficulty to make submission to this. He has just pleaded for listing of the case after a week. Post of Ms. A. Begum, Learned Tradition. For the response, state has submitted that the state has no there. So made so in view of as paid for is the appeal after as paid for on behalf of the appellant, please the appeal after week needed to pay out.
Office.
As well for listing a high criminal matter.
I criminal.
Lordship, I beg for listing a criminal appeal, for listing of a criminal appeal, Lordship.
Hearing.
Yes, Lordship, the last
Ye-
time the, on
Hearing,
11th,
no mention. So before the registry, approach the registry,
Lordship,
approach the registry.
I have already submitted three or four times. Only the matter is that the original records are with this
So
one.
make a mention on Monday because the regular bench will sit on Monday.
Lordship.
Please go.
Lordship, beg to mention a read item for admission.
Admission,
Yes,
criminal appeal.
no, Lordship, conversion of patta, WPC,
Huh?
WPC, conversion of patta.
This is division bench, sir.
I was,
Make a mention before the performance.
yes,
Daily list for admission. Item number 1.
Hmm?
Jail appeal.
This criminal appeal from jail is preferred against a judgment and order dated 17/5/2025 passed by the Court of Additional Sessions Judge, come Special Judge, 15 packet POXO, Sip Sagar. In special within bracket POXO case number 12 of 2024 for trial for legal, which arose out of Amguri Police Station case number 25 of 2023. Post of final judgment and order dated so and so. The user appeal has been convicted for the offenses under section 366 and section 376 of the Indian Penal Code and section 6 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences. In view of section 42 of the POXO Act, the accused appellant has been sentenced under section 6 of the POXO Act to undergo rigorous imprisonment of 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo further rigorous imprisonment for a period of 6 months. To stop. For the offense under section 66 IPC, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment of 2 years and to pay a fine of rupees 2,000, which default stipulation. Stop. The sentences are ordered to run concurrently. So, the appeal is admitted for hearing. So, the case records of special POCSO case number 12 of 2024. Be called for issue notice for returnable in 4 weeks as Ms. Begum Learned Relation Public as a period is on behalf of the respondent number or respondent state some issuance of formal notice to the respondents to some institution. So, the necessary steps for service of notice notification was found.
NG Das is here, Lordship. Amicus, NG Das.
Oxford. To the informant,
Amicus may be appointed, Lordship. So, JLP.
to the respondent number 2. The victim stroke guardian stroke support person. As the respondent number 2. Shall be taken in terms of the notification number 17 dated 15/3/2024. The learned additional public prosecutor is to obtain a report as regards service of notice upon the respondent from the officer in charge, Amguri Police Station. First is the same with the court, a returnable date to stop. Court. Deems it fit to appoint. That's what. Deems it proper to appoint the Vikas Prasad from the panel of amicus curiae to represent the accused appellant in this appeal. So Mr. Vikas Prasad, amicus curiae is to be informed accordingly. This is a case after 4 weeks. Almost semi over style too. Jail, huh? Jail. The change for you. There has been an order dated 22/5/2025. Court of Special Judge Boxto Vishwanath and Vishwanath Sariali in special within bracket Boxto case number 15/2024, which arose out of Jinjia Police Station case number 15/2004. That has been an order dated so. The accused appellant has been convicted for the offenses under section 6, section 16/17 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, full stop, for the offense under section 6 of the POCSO Act, the accused appellant has been sentenced. Oh. We don't have 6 or 7 or listening. 6. This is এটা কেটা আছে চিকেন টিকা ভূমিযোগ করেছে sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 15,000. In default of payment of fine, to suffer rigorous imprisonment for another 3 months for the এগুলোকে দিচ্ছে না ওগুলো গন্ডগোল বুঝতে হবে। The criminal liability is admitted for hearing. The case records of so and so with for issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Ms. Begum, the support person, so and so. Meghali Burma.
Item 3,
Lordship, 3 is also jail appeal, Lordship.
Jail.
3, 4,
Signal. Judgment. An order dated 21/7/2025. Court of Planet Additional Sessions Judge Vishwanath at Vishwanath Sarili. Sessions case number 183 of 2016. By the judgment and order dated so and so by Q appellant. Along with 3 others has been convicted for the offense, for committing the offense under section 302 IPC. So, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life. The criminal appeal is admitted from hearing. Records of so and so case number so and so call for. Issue notice returnable in as Ms. Begum appear accepted. One. One of that. দেবাঙ্গ কুমার বৈদ্য। My gosh. 302, no? Next one is same, 15 more.
item 4,
same.
Jail appeal, criminal appeal. POCSO?
Lordship, we don't receive that.
POCSO. Court of Learned Additional Session Judge, cum Special Judge POCSO, Ibohagor. In special POCSO case number 10 of 2024, which arose out of Sibohagor Police Station case number 183 of 2023. By the judgment and order dated so and so. The accused appellant has been convicted for the offense under section 6, protection of children so and so. And he has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of ₹10,000 before stipulation. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. Case records of so and so be called for. Issue notice returnable so and so. As Ms. Begum has appeared accepted. But he can notice so and so in terms of the number so and so. Bravo. Yes, you suggest.
And there's, Injedas is there, Angedas,
Those who have not been given much.
and,
Huh?
and Hassan is also there one.
Huh?
Vijit. Vijita is from Meghalik.
We have been giving
Meghalaya.
many cases. So anybody?
L Devi Lordship, L Devi.
LDB.
Ase lovely.
Aye.
Ase. Legal.
Arnab Das,
He's.
he does cases. Let us,
Lordship, she's
hear
there.
him. Let us see. Arnab Das.
He's also
Arnab
there.
Das. Arnab Das. Huh? Notified accordingly.
Item number 5.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
The additional session judge come special judge Borpeta in special case 54 of 2020.
Right.
Yes, 54 of 2020
This is
under
for what?
POXO, my lord, section 4B.
Give me
Rigorous
the
impeachment convicted the
This is
appellant.
for admission.
Yes, my lord. Today is the
This is for
first day.
admission. Okay. Your name, please?
A.K. Hannan, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.K. Hanan.
Always
Counsel
on.
for the accused appellant and Miss A. Begum. And additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. Was the case criminal appeal under section 415 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Surakha Samhita 2023 is preferred against a judgment.
সেইটো নিদিলে আমি ফাইল কৰিম এফিডেভিট ফাইল কৰিম কপি দিয়া নাই এতিয়া আৰু এখন দিব লাগিব মোক
Judgment and order
we serve within the course of the day.
dated 18/8/2025. Passed by the Court of Learned Additional Session Judge cum Special Judge POXO Borpeta in special within bracket POXO case number 54 of 2020, which arose out of Fortiabari Police Station case number 219 of 2020. Was by the judgment and order dated so and so. The accused appellant has been convicted for the offense under section 4 within bracket small b of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, and he has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo simple imprisonment for another 6 months. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. The case records of special POXO case number 54 of 2020 call for issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as Ms. Begum, the appellant. The extra copy of the memo of the billing. The appellant shall take steps for service of notice upon the response number 2 by speed post. Which edit again by speed post within 3 working days from today in terms of notification number 85. Oh, no, it should be,
Motivation.
and the accused appellant, the learned counsel for the accused appellant shall take necessary steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by serving a copy of the memo of appeal to the office of the public protector. Within 3 working days from today, the learned additional public prosecutor is to obtain a report as regards service of notice upon the respondent number 2 from the officer in charge, Fortiabari Police Station, to place the same before the court on the next day of it.
Eliable.
Hello. Service of the and you must get down the option. Hello. It will be two speeds. When you just direct. I don't know. Then more notification. Very good. You was able to work. You was able to work.
Item 6 for orders.
Lordship, copy notice was served on the victim, my lord, on the informant,
This is section 6 POXO,
my lord.
at which record is
They have
officer in charge.
received on 23/9/25.
Hard miss,
Lordship, kindly matter maybe pass over for some time.
no passover. Hard miss,
Uh,
who is your senior?
PK Sharma,
Okay. You record your name, Miss
P Kakoti.
P. Kakoti. Nothing harmful is going to happen. P. Kakoti, Learned Counsel for the accused appellant, and Miss B. Bhuyan, Learned Senior Counsel and Additional Public Prosecutor for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. So Miss Bhuyan has placed. Oh, you have appeared? Okay, Miss Bhuyan has placed a copy of a report received from the officer in charge, Morigaon Police Station, reporting that the notice had been duly served upon the respondent number 2 on 23/9/2025. Mr. P. Delhi, Learned Counsel, has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2. As notice upon the respondent number 2 has been duly served and the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 has entered appearance, comma, the office to prepare the paperwork as TCR has also been received. Also, yes. What about this?
Objection we are filing during the course of the day. We have already given to file. They have not filed it, my lord.
I heard Miss so and so. Learned
Copy
Counsel for
for
the
her.
applicant appellant. Miss B. Bhuyan, Learned Senior Counsel and Additional Public Prosecutor for the opposite party, that's respondent number 1, State of Assam, and Mr. P. Telly, Learned Counsel for the opposite party, that's respondent number 2. Stroke informant. Ms. Priya has submitted that written objection to the application is going to be filed during the course of the
Hello.
day. Full stop. Yes, Mr. Telly, anything?
I'll
You
go
want to
on.
file objection or not? No objection.
No objection, Lord.
If bill is granted, no issue. You are going to file written objection to the application for bail or not?
No objection.
No
So you
objection.
mean to say, মানে objection file koriba, ne affidavit they have filed, they said.
Affidavit they have filed. What affidavit? Compromise affidavit.
Yes.
Compromise affidavit.
POXO.
Lordship, but the accused person had made the what if you watch him?
Who is poor? Good poor.
Really problem is it? Human being.
Yes.
It is an IA for condemnation of delay of
Yes, madam, yeah.
maybe.
heart. Heart, Miss
N Hassan.
L.
Hassan, N.
Hassan, Learning Council for the applicant. And Miss Vivian Learned, the Senior Counsel and additional Sydney Public Prosecutor. From Assam for the opposite party number 1. The instant application under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 is preferred, seeking condonation of delay of 110 days, which is stated to have occurred in preparing the accompanying criminal appeal under section 415 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. So the accompanying criminal appeal is preferred to assail a judgment dated 3/4/2025 and an order on sentence dated 9/4/2025 passed by the Court of Learned Sessions Judge Kachar as Silsor, within bracket the special court for short in Sessions case number. Oh no, oh sorry, in Sessions, the trial court. In Sessions case number 41 of 2020 by the judgment and the order on sentence. The applicant has been convicted for the offense under section 302 Indian Penal Code, and he has been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000 with false stipulation. So the applicant as explained in paragraph
4.
4 of the instant application, the reasons for delay of 110 days. So Yes, yeah, learn it. Additional public prosecutor appearing for the state has submitted that the applicant appellant has been convicted for the offense under section 302 for the offense of murder and has been sentenced for life imprisonment. For my interest of justice, we better observe due to accompanying appeal is hard on date. So we have gone through the statements and affirmations made in the application, more particularly in paragraph 7 thereof. First of all, next page, having gone through the same, we have the view that the applicant has been able to explain the reason for delay with showing sufficient cause. But moreover, as the applicant appellant has been convicted for the offense, serious offense of murder, and has been sentenced to undergo life imprisonment, a cause of justice, in our considered view, we better observe if the accompanying criminal appeal is hard on merits after condoning the period of delay. So, accordingly, the instant application seeking confirmation of delay of 110 days stands allowed to stop the registry to register the appeal and to release the appeal for admission.
Obliged lawsuit.
Item number 8.
Your lordship, is I is for condonation of delay, your lordship. 125 days, your lordship.
Where you have explained
Your lordship, 4 to 9, your lordship, paragraph 4
4
to
to
9, your
9.
lordship. Fine. Rather, your lord, rather of the
the conviction?
Your lordship, for
302.
life imprisonment, your lordship.
302 not.
Hard.
302, 201, and 34,
E.
your
Ahmed.
lordship.
E. Ahmed,
Yeah, Ahmed, your lord.
learned counsel for the applicant. And Ms. P. Nagorkar. Delay 125 days. Jasmine dated 12/12/2024. And then order on sentence dated 19/12/2024. Court of Sessions Court, Poraido, Punari, Trial Court. In sessions within bracket as the C, case number 12/2014. By the judgment and the order on sentence, comma. The applicant, how many?
One only, your
The
lord.
applicant, appellant, along with two others. Has been convicted for offenses under section 302 and section 201 of the Indian Penal Code, read with section 34 from IPC. So for the offense under section 302 IPC, read with section 34 IPC. The applicant appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, which is the false stipulation. So stop. The appellant has been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for 3 years for the offense under section 201 IPC, read with section 34 IPC. Both the sentences are ordered to run concurrently. Stop. Where we have gone through the statements and environments made in the instant interlocutory application, comma, more particularly, comma, paragraph 9,
4 to 9, your
4
lord.
to 9, thereof. So, huh?
Bludgeon.
Third list, item number 10.
Yes.
There was delay in filing of the criminal appeal, my lord.
How much?
256 days, man.
Yes, Ms. Bhaiya.
My lord.
366, 376 AB,
AB, my lord.
6 POXO, 20 years.
20 years has been.
Less than 1 year.
My lord.
Heard Mr. P. Kotogil and counsel for the applicant appellant. And Ms. B. Bhuyal as your counsel and additional public prosecutor of some for the opposite party as respond number 1. So stop. The instant application under section 5 of the limitation act 1963 is for seeking condonation of delay of 253 days, comma, which period of delay is stated to have occurred in filing the accompanying criminal appeal under section 415 of the Bharatiya Nagorik Purokha Honita against or read with section 31 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 against the judgment. Against the judgment. An order dated 1/8/2024 passed by the Court of Additional Sessions Judge cum Special Judge, Oxo, Morigaon. Special Court. So by the judgment and order dated so and so. The applicant has been convicted for the offenses under section
376 AB.
376 AB Indian Penal Code. Any other conviction?
No, man.
Not section 6.
No segment.
Huh?
No, man.
The sentence is okay, but so far as
They say, man, in the order
Conviction.
itself, man, they have stated, man, taking all the factions.
both,
Both, man.
both,
Both.
only in view of 42
42, man.
uh,
yes, yes.
and section 6 POXO Act.
There is
So
section.
in view of section 42 of the POXO Act, the applicant has been sentenced to sentence under section 376 AB IPC to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000, with a default stipulation post hoc. We have gone through the statements and environment in the instant application, more particularly sections or paragraph
Paragraph
8
8
and
to
9
11.
thereof, Gustav, that are having gone through the statements and environments in this application regarding the period of delay in filing the connected criminal appeal, this court is of the considered view that the appellant has been able to explain the period of delay of 250 days to insufficient cause. Moreover, as the appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for so and so, interest of justice will be better subserved if the appeal is heard on merits, leaving aside the technical aspects as regards delay. To stop. This court is also the considered view that the service of notice upon the opposite party does respond number 2 informant can be dispensed with at this stage, as the matter of delay is an aspect which is to be considered by the court on the backdrop of the explanation provided for the delay. Full stop. In any view of the matter, the accompanying criminal appeal, if admitted, is to be heard on merits only after ensuring service of notice upon the victim stroke informant stroke guardian stroke support person. The instant application in conduct delay of 253 days. Filing the accompanying criminal appeal is allowed the registry to register the criminal appeal and thereafter to release the same for admission. Fine. I have forgotten. Let me refresh myself.
Sorry, my lord. I was only in another.
There are two orders dated 18-10-2012. These are two separate orders or same order, page 51 and 54? Almost same.
But there is at page 54. The petitioner Srimati Sumita Devi filed a WPC number. So prior to that, Srimati Sumita Devi filed a contempt case, by contempt case number 26912. Actually, I have verified the record. Sumita Devi had not filed that contempt case. That contempt case was 269 was filed by me. I have stated.
No, you filed. That is recorded.
Yes, my lord. But they have, in the order, my lord, page 54, they have stated that in pursuance to the honorable court order dated.
That I have recorded correctly. That the present petitioner filed contempt case number 269, that I have recorded correctly.
Yes, ma'am. But on the basis of that order, she had been engaged. But actually,
No, that on the original appointment order also is of 2009. And that position has not been disturbed till date. Though there was an adverse view that she was not a resident, but that position has not been disturbed. We were working. I am still working.
it is on the basis of that order, my lord, as they have filed an appeal, my lord, before the Commissioner and Secretary.
There is nothing about appeal, not disposed of, Mr. Thor.
Yes, my lord, they have,
My lord,
When I asked him specifically, don't
I'm sorry.
make interference.
my lord will come to page,
My
our
appeal has been
affidavit,
disposed of. Any idea?
that is the order, my lord, in,
Page?
page number 194, our affidavit, my lord.
Okay.
Ah. Page number, annexure 5, 194 page, my lord, running page,
194.
my lord.
One 194 minutes of project level selection committee.
My lord, maybe then there is some,
In your affidavit in opposition.
yes, my lord, my affidavit opposition, Actually,
it was filed on
this is an
behalf-
additional affidavit, my lord,
additional affidavit.
additional affidavit, my lord.
Okay, annexer,
Annexure 5, my lord.
annexer 5.
There is an order dated 13 September 2023.
Okay.
My lord will find, let us, my lord, I'm just reading out.
The difficulty is to get it serialized.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here
I am
even
finding
we also face the same issue, my lord.
To chronologically.
Yes, my lord.
What has happened after what has happened after what?
My lord will find from third para, my lord, where is on verification.
Oh, it starts from,
Page 191.
To correct 191, na? 191, my lord. He's telling my friend is telling my lord. It will say, oh, एक call up, preliminary हो जाए ना? 191, my lord. Very, very good.
Date?
13 September 2023.
Okay.
My lord, in the third paragraph, whereas on a verification, my lord, got it, my lord?
Hmm.
Whereas on
Okay,
verification,
let me read, let me
My
read.
lord.
So appeal record is not traceable. Appeal record is not traceable. Para 4.
Para 4, my
Yes,
lord.
yes, my lord, but my lord, though they have mentioned that appeal petition dated 16/12/2015, but in the order, my lord, it was clearly mentioned that appeal was dated 24/8/2012. It is not that appeal. It was reflected from page 66, annexure M of our writ petition. Against that, we have also filed our reply, affidavit in reply also.
Bottom line is that, my lord, the respondent is within the parameter, my lord.
We are still struggling to go through to make because some records are in the affidavit in opposition, some records are in the writ petition. Please take your seat. We are struggling with it.
Stated.
Once the
affidavit-
facts are clear, then it is very easy to, it will be very easy to decide. But the struggle is with regard to get it serially. Para 6 or pisali. Para 6 or pisali, 7, not to 6A kori diyoge to. Correct. 6. So that project level, initially after this order, say 35, 2012, there is an order. Page 39. Page 39, both of. Page 39 and relevant page is page 40. We are concerned with Paschim Kholihamari Anganwadi Center, right? As per the report of the Deputy Commissioner Nagaon, the residents of respondent Purabi Devi engaged as Anganwadi worker and residents of Jayaprabha, we are not concerned with Jayaprabha, are outside the concerned Anganwadi Center area.
Yes, sir.
Report reveals that residents of the petitioner, Monica Devi, is within the concerned Anganwadi Center area. CDPO has expressed the same view in his letter dated 11/4/2012. Gambura, while letter dated 29/4/2012, has informed that Srimati Purabi Devi is not within the concerned Anganwadi area. He also mentioned that Paschim Kholihamari Anganwadi Center is presently functioning at a private house nearby the residence of present Anganwadi worker. Then his observation. In view of the above, claim of the petitioner is upheld. Further, the Child Development Project Officer is directed to shift the Paschim Kholihamari Anganwadi Center to a suitable place within the Anganwadi Center survey area immediately. CDPO is further directed to place the matter before the project level selection committee for taking necessary action as per norms and guidelines issued by the government. This is the relevant part, right? Right, right. 1 minute.
I'm sorry.
Uh, Then I'll come. 1 minute. That is different. Then immediately come to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, additional affidavit in para 6A. Para 6A. When in reference to the order dated 35/2012
12.
of the respondent number 2, the respondent number 6 placed the matter before the project level selection committee, the project level selection committee held its meeting on 21/6/2012. To examine and consider the matter for taking necessary action as per norms and guidelines issued by the government. Full stop. First off, in its meeting held on 21/6/2012, comma, the project level selection committee resolved to place its view before the respondent number 2 with the following words. Come to your additional affidavit in opposition, annex Roman 3. Page 192 আছে, running page. তাতে মই পেন্সিলেৰে মাৰ্ক কৰি দিছো। পেন্সিলে মাৰ্ক কৰি। Have you got it? Additional affidavit in opposition.
Well, my additional
Oh,
affidavit.
you are not looking at it. Okay. Leave it. Para 6B. 6B, huh? On receipt of the observation of the project level selection committee, the respondent number 6 forwarded the action taken report in deference to the order dated 30/5/2012, comma, by an office letter dated 30/6/2012 to the respondent number 2 for taking further necessary steps and to issue necessary direction. Have you seen Annex Roman 3?
Additional file closing. 192. So, my lord is referring to the order letter dated 30th June 2012.
There would, along with that,
Yes, my lord.
there was give me 2 minutes.
ফ্লাই মারি তো
Yes, that 36, 2012. That. There is an annexer to that.
Yes, my lord.
Observation of project level selection committee.
Yes, my lord.
Then
That serial number four, serial number
one.
4,
Serial number 4.
my lord.
The observation
Yes.
of the project level committee
Yes, my lord.
that
That is-
Posim Kholihamari Anganwadi Center was opened in the present location approved by the CDO and circle supervisor. Both respondents, Srimati Puravi Devi, AWW, Srimati Jayaprabha Devi, AWH, belong to the locality where the AWC is located. Have you found it?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
There is a
proposal
proposal to
to
shift
shift
the
the-
AWC in another place. If it is done, then both the AWW and AWH will be outsider of that locality. As the matter is confusing, a decision in this regard is sought for from the Director, Social Welfare Assam, whether fresh interview can be ordered. Right? This is the view.
View.
Then by that letter, 36, 2012, CDPO forwarded the matter to the Director.
Director, my lord.
Then that order, 18/10, 2012.
Page number 64, I think, my lord.
Page number? No, page number either 51 or either 54. 54.
50.
54 or 51, same thing. Not Sumitra. No, 51. 51. Now read.
In pursuance to the Honorable High
Huh.
Court's order dated 3/8.
That Goma
11.
Devi, WPC number so and so.
Yes. My lord,
Speaking
what is-
order issued dated 35, 2012. Right?
My lord,
Whereas one of the petitioner, Monica Devi,
they be
filed
filed a
contempt case
contempt case.
269.
My lord.
Right?
Yes.
Then next one. The
petition-
petitioner Monica Devi
Monica
filed
Devi
so
filed
and so,
repre-
claiming that selected candidate for
Dates
the
of
post of
Anganwadi
Anganwadi worker
Paschim Koliamari
at Posim
Anganwadi-
Koliharbari Anganwadi
Anganwadi
Center does not belong to the area
Anganwadi
where the
Center
Anganwadi Center is
is
located.
During
During
the
hearing the
hearing
matter,
of
it was found that the concerned Anganwadi
Center is
Center
presently functioning,
is presently
private
functioning
house,
at a private house, which is located
outside the
actual jurisdiction area of the
of the
said
said
Anganwadi
Anganwadi
Center.
Center.
It was also
Also
found that
the
claim of the
claim
petitioner
of the
was
petitioner
based on
was
fact.
facts.
As such,
in
in the order dated
Hmm.
35, 2012, the
12,
claim of the petition was upheld
upheld.
and the CDPO was directed to shift the
The-
Anganwadi Center to a suitable place within the actual surveyed area.
area.
This is the content of the 35, 2012 order.
My lord,
The CDPO was also directed to place the matter before the project level
level
selection committee for taking
ne-
further necessary action. Next is important.
Yes, my lord.
The Soil Development
Project
Project officer furnished the observation of the project level selection committee by letter dated 36, 2012. Now the turn. On perusal of the report, it is found that
the
the project level selection committee could not take decision in the matter and sought further direction in this regard from the Director,
social welfare.
Social Welfare. Right?
On perusal of
1
the
minute. 1 minute. My dictation order also should not be disturbed.
my lord, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Let us read. On perusal of the report of the circle officer, Roha
Revenue Circle.
was
And
requested to attend the directorate on 4/9/2012 to discuss the matter. Accordingly, both the officers attended the directorate. The decision of the project level committee was thoroughly discussed, and it has been decided that project level committee shall review the earlier observation
taken by the
made by the committee in the light of the speaking order
issued by the director,
issued by the Director,
social welfare.
Social Welfare dated 30/5/2012.
12.
The CDPO shall take immediate steps to shift the concerned Anganwadi center to a suitable place within the Anganwadi area survey area. And the project level committee shall take further action for engagement of Anganwadi worker in the concerned Anganwadi area as per so and so. That is
Yeah.
another 1 minute. Tick C. Action. Tick C no.
তাৰ order কিমান বাৰ লগাইছে? Next year. আৰু
ঠিক আছে। 18/10/2012. This is again project level selection committee was directed, right?
my lord.
Please. Itu নহয়। এই সীমা থাকক, এইটো যদি বিল নাই। এইটো চেঞ্জ কৰোঁ। বিল। বুজিছে? After 18/10/2012, what happened?
Then comes my lord annexure F. Port, huh?
Annexure F
Sure.
is with regard to some Sumitra Devi. We are
My
not
my
concerned.
lord, page
Absolutely not concerned.
55.
55, we are not concerned. Sumitra Devi. We are concerned with Monica Devi and Purobi Devi.
Sumit.
But here also mentioned contempt case 69 filed by Sumitra Devi.
No, but they were filed by, there is a define.
Me, my lord.
These are unnecessary.
Then my lord, I think page number 60.
Right, that is what I am.
Shifting of
60, my lord. With reference, I am to inform you that required instruction for shifting of the concerned Anganwadi center has already been issued by letter to such and such. You are directed to take necessary steps. And second is further, you are directed to select suitable candidates from amongst the candidates who appeared in the earlier interview. Then comes, my lord, this.
1 minute. Okay, this is 8/4/2023,
My lord.
page 60.
60, my lord.
This is interesting now. You are directed to select a suitable candidate from amongst the candidates
My lord, candidates.
who appeared in the earlier interview. All the candidates. Response number 8 also. For engagement to the post of Anganwadi worker in the concerned Anganwadi center in consultation with the chairperson of the project level selection committee. Right?
Then I think the petitioner again came,
Akibur.
Manika Devi came before this court.
Akibur. I am facing a different problem.
My lord.
My sister who was sitting with me in the division bench. She will be leaving by 12:30. Orders are to be signed before 12:45 or 1 o'clock.
So my lord, we can continue this?
Oh, no, we are continuing. I am signing it.
Oh, I thought.
What
maybe-
happened after that? 8/4/2013.
Then 61, my lord. The petitioner again came before this honorable court.
Right. There he said, implement 8/4/2013.
Yes, my lord.
Then you missed the point. There he missed the point. Implement 8/4/2013.
The matter pertains to selection of Anganwadi worker for Paschim Kolaimari Anganwadi Center in
Let
the.
us read. Matter pertains. Okay. Read it.
The matter pertains to selection of Anganwadi worker for Paschim Kolaimari Anganwadi Center in the district of Nagaon. Referring to the Annexure H, letter dated H8/4/13, addressed to the CDPO Rohai ICDS project by the Director Social Welfare Department, Assam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for appropriate action pursuant to the said letter. By the said letter, the CDPO Roha ICDS project was directed to select a suitable candidate from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview. In view of the above, the writ petition is disposed of directing the CDPO Roha ICDS project to proceed with the matter in accordance with law, pursuant to the said letter dated 8/4/13.
So there the petitioner dug the grave.
Shifting part left out.
Shifting part left out, 8/4/2013, that suitable candidate
Yes, madam.
from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview.
Now this has got a
You have dug the grave. Now you sought implementation of that.
pendamus.
You should have challenged this that who appeared in the earlier interview, response number 8 should be excluded because her residence on the purported ground that her residence was outside. That was not done. Then what happened? Okay,
Then-
maybe 1 minute.
63 is a contempt case, my lord. By Monica Devi.
That was further aggravated.
Yes.
Is 213. But before that, the earlier contempt case, 269 came. 269 came. 269.
It goes to 269.
Order. 269 order. Contempt case number.
269. Oh, that is not annexed here.
Huh?
That,
That day, I think.
yes, extra copy.
Yes, my lord, I have furnished that order, my lord. It may be in the file.
I have recorded already. On 22/11/2013,
আছে।
respondent submitted that the order has been complied with. এটা আছে? Huh? Main file out. নিচ্ছেন। It is there.
It is order dated 22/11/2013.
Ah. Then petitioner disputed. Then court granted liberty. To seek appropriate remedy. Then 213. Contempt case.
It is
Ah,
at page
213.
53.
That was disposed of.
On 23/2/2015. Again directed, if the order passed within 2 months' time, the petitioner is at liberty to file fresh petition for contempt.
Thereafter, no contempt.
Yes, contempt.
Thereafter, any contempt petitions filed?
Yes, madam, 606.
606 is
One
in
minute.
page number 69.
In the meantime, that
24/4.
response number 8's petition came for consideration on 29/5/2015. And it was submitted by respondent of 8, that the appeal was not disposed of. Right? And then the writ petition was disposed of, stating that till the appeal was disposed of, no
Filed.
prejudicial order should be passed against the respondent number 8.
My lord. तो 23 quarter पासबुक तो आपण पे 8
Then project level selection committee, another meeting, 9/6/2014. Where is that? Nine six 2014. Let us see the affidavit again. 9/6. Nine six 2014.
दो
1 minute.
ती फोटो किती आहे
9/10.
9/6/2014, my lord. Minutes of the project level committee for selection.
My lord, I think after page number 62, that honorable court's order, my lord, page number 64 came in. It is a compliance order. They have passed a speaking order.
That order
That I have
have-
recorded, but that minutes of the selection committee dated 9/6/2024. Nine six 2014.
Yes, sir.
Project
It
level
is the
selection
minutes.
committee, 9, 6 and 14.
Is the minutes and it is the order. The order will be. removed.
So
9 June 14.
The order. will-
এটা আপনি কি দিয়া নাই? Affidavit দিয়া নাই?
the paralegal. A meeting of the project level selection committee was held on 25/10/2013. Running page 194, bracket or rectangle. Wherein it was decided that in view of the interim stay order dated 6/6/2013 passed in WPC number 2710/2013 within bracket Puravi Devi versus State of Assam, comma, the committee would stick to its earlier decision taken on 21/6/2012, subject to the final decision taken in WBC number 2710/2013. Full stop. The minutes of the project level selection, minutes of the meeting dated 25/10/2013 of the project level selection committee was forwarded by the respondent number 6 to the respondent number 2 by an office letter dated 18/11/2013. Full stop. So, open it for a করে দিব। এটা কৰিব। A copy on the minutes of the meeting of the project level selection committee held on 9/6/2014 has been placed I will mark and kept as document A বুলি কৈ থব। Has been placed before the court. Full stop. As per the, it is noticed that in the meeting dated, the meeting held on 9/6/2014, the project level selection committee considered the matter of selection of a suitable candidate. To a post of Anganwadi worker at Posim Kholiahabari Anganwadi Center. In terms of the direction made by the director, respondent number 2, in his office letter dated 8/4/2013, and in compliance of the order dated 9/10/2013. 9/10/2013? That High Court order? No, passed in WPC number 4037/2013. Within bracket, Monica Devi was the state of Assam. Full stop. after the project level selection committee, after a threadbare discussion, verified the applications which were submitted by the candidates, the records of the earlier interview process, and the comparative statements prepared. Full stop. The project level selection committee had unanimously decided that the respondent number 1 was engaged as Anganwadi worker earlier. Respondent number 8, who was engaged as Anganwadi worker earlier, was found suitable amongst all the candidates who appeared in the interview. Full stop. The project level selection committee also took into consideration the interim order of stay passed in WPC number 710 of 2013. Again, Grobi Devi versus Jacob. Full stop. It was decided, taking note of the above interim order of stay, the project level committee, selection committee decided not to issue any fresh engagement order to the respondent number 8, as she was already discharging her duty as Anganwadi worker against the earlier order of engagement, in terms of the earlier order of engagement. Take what? You should take below. That meeting came. After that meeting, let us examine this order. This one. Page 64.
Miles.
Now let us see page 64. Let us read, Mr. Bhator, please read.
Peruse the Honorable Court's order dated 9/10 to 13. Passed in the writ petition number such and such Monica Devi versus State of Assam. And also peruse the Honorable Court's order dated 23 to 15, passed in contempt case number 213 of 14. Monica Devi versus so and so. It would be pertinent to mention herein that the present CDPO has joined as Child Development Project Officer in Roha ICDS on 25/11/13. The entire selection process pursuant to the advertisement dated 17/9/2009 for the post of Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper against the Paschim Kolaimari Anganwadi Center under Roha ICDS project was started and ended under the guidance of the then CDPO. The entire records of the aforesaid selection was handed over by the then CDPO to the present CDPO on the month of December 2013. The present CDPO examined the entire records and perused the communication dated 8/4/13 pertains to shifting of Paschim Kolaimari Anganwadi Center, and the present CDPO
There were two parts.
two parts, shifting
And
and the selection.
selection.
In shifting of Paschim Kolaimari, and the present CDPO shifted the Anganwadi Center in question in terms of office order dated such and such, dated 18/10/2012. The aforesaid letter dated 8/4/13 also directed the then CDPO to select a suitable candidate from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview held on 6/10/2009. pursuant to the advertisement dated 7/9/2009. The present CDPO respondent number 5 carried out the instruction of the letter dated 8/4/13 regarding selection of the suitable candidate from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview dated 6/10/2009. Accordingly, a project level selection committee meeting was held on 6/9/14.
Which I now just dictated,
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
9/6/2014.
14, wherein it was unanimously decided on the basis of relevant records, interview performance, enquiry report of concerned circle supervisor dated 29/11/12 and 4/1/14. Earlier,
Hmm.
minutes of the meeting project level selection committee held on 21/6/12 and 25/10/13. Applications forms with enclosure are submitted by the candidates, more particularly the residential certificate issued by the concerned Gaubura, etc., as well as the survey register of the Anganwadi center area. That Srimati Puravi Devi, who was engaged as Anganwadi worker, earlier is found suitable amongst the candidate who appeared in the interview. So decision is taken. In view of the aforesaid facts, based on the records, Srimati Puravi Devi is a suitable candidate amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview, who has been working in the Anganwadi center in question on the basis of engagement letter dated 21/11/2009, as well as in terms of the court's order dated 6/6/13 in WPC number 27/10 of 2013. And as such, in terms of the court's order dated 9/10/13 in writ petition number 4037 of 12, Monica Devi versus such and such, the CDPO concerned proceeded with the matter and decision has been taken by virtue of the said project level selection committee meeting held on 9/6/14 to select Puravi Devi as suitable candidate from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview. Hence, the order dated 9/10/13 passed in WPC number such and such has been complied with. So, my lord, rightly or wrongly, my lord, 24/4/15 an order has been passed by the authority, and Puravi Devi, the private respondent number 8, my lord,
Hmm.
she has been, my lord, selected as the suitable candidate, and she continued. This order, my lord, it may be right, it may be wrong, my lord, but it was never put to challenge by the writ petitioner. That is
Now
the
come to page 69,
69.
because this line, page 65.
65, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. Page 65. Sorry, not 65. Page 69.
That, my lord, contempt case order, my lord.
No, page 69.
59, my lord.
69.
69 is, my lord, a judgment in contempt case in the writ petition.
Contempt case. No, read that page 65. Last line. Hence, the order dated 9/10/2013
passed in writ
passed in
petition
WPC number
4037
It has been complied with.
complied with.
Now you read page 69.
I'm reading from my lord, second para. Willful disobedience of the order dated 9/10/13 passed in 4037 of 13 is alleged in the instant proceeding. By the said order, the child development project officer Roha ICDS project was directed to select a suitable candidate as Anganwadi worker of Paschim Kolaimari Anganwadi Center, Nogao, from amongst the candidate who appeared in the earlier interview. The required exercise was directed to be completed preferably within 31/12/13. Mr. Swayanso, Learned Counsel representing the CDPO Roha ICDS project submits that the direction of this court has duly been complied with, and to the effect an affidavit in opposition has been also filed, enclosing there with the minutes of the selection committee meeting held on 9/6/14 in the office of the CDPO Roha. The original copy of the minutes of the meeting dated 9/6/14 has been produced by Mr. So and so. I have perused the same, and this is the observation of the Honorable Court. I have perused the same and find that the direction as contained in the order of this court dated 9/10/13 in writ petition number 4037 of 13 has been duly complied. In view of the above, there is no necessity to pursue with the instant proceeding, and according the contempt application stands closed. 40
1 minute.
So I think, my lord, this order, this page number 64 was produced before the Honorable Court.
Hmm.
This is the order
Also 9/6.
9/6. The order dated is 24/4/15, and this order is of 12/8/16. Year later. So, my lord,
Proceeding very sweet order. Whereas, yeah. Whereas 16. Star दिया से pencil में. In the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the Child Development Project Officer Roha ICDS project, the minutes of the project level selection committee, minutes of the meeting of the project level selection committee held on 9/6/2014 was annexed full stop. It was thereby submitted that the direction to select a suitable candidate as Anganwadi worker for Paschim Kholiahamari Anganwadi Center had been duly complied with. Full stop. Then what happened? This repetition was filed.
Yes, my lord.
thereafter this writ petition is filed, my lord. But my lord, the thing is that page
Hmm.
64, this order is passed. This order was, he filed in contempt. This order was placed before the honorable court.
Mind you, the selection committee was also
Yes, my lord.
that project level selection committee that they would go by the selection of respondent number 8
My lord,
was also placed before the court.
my lord.
That is 8/6/2014.
Yes, my lord.
Is it not?
Yes, my lord.
And Mr. Bora has placed it over the counter. Did
Yes,
not
my lord.
annex it. Did not annex it in the repetition. When I requested, he has fairly placed it before the court. Now, thereafter, what happened?
Now I think thereafter this writ petition comes.
Repetition
My lord,
comes.
regarding that, my lord, the respondent number 8 had filed WBC number 271013 for passing of the order dated 35/2012, which orders states that I am within the locality and they are outside.
By whether Mr. Bora, by the subsequent actions and steps, that order stood merged with the subsequent order. And thereby ceasing to have any force. That is a question. See, Mr. Bora, in your writ petition, right? First prayer or second prayer? Second prayer. That 35/2012, right? Directing the respondent authorities, more particularly respondent number 2 and 6, to appoint, engage the petitioner to the job post of Anganwadi worker at Paschim Kholihamari Anganwadi Center in place of private respondent number 8 on the basis of order dated 35/2012, right? And by that time, you have initiated a number of litigations in the form of writ petition and contempt, right? And this order of 35/2012 was followed by some subsequent orders of the Director of Social Welfare. Is it not? So, when much water has flown, under the Horaighat Bridge, whether you can flow back to 35/2012.
But my lord, they have paid for passing of that order
Which
and
one?
it was not passed.
No, that only that cannot be the scenario.
And my lord, on the
Mr.
basis of the
Bora,
interim order,
when
only on the basis of
thereafter
the
it was
interim order.
followed by subsequent orders, and more particularly 8/4/2013. Yes. Underline to.
And on the basis of the interim order, my lord, she has been selected. They have also stated.
No. First order was substantive engagement order, no interim order.
And my lord, as per page 66, that appeal was not.
Now let
disposed of
us see
till then.
what subsequent events. Because some other orders have been annexed. Let us see.
Page 66, my lord, that appeals order, my lord, it was not replied by them, any of the respondents, my lord. Whether that appeal has been
You
disposed
cannot
of or
argue
not.
on it. That is a repetition by respondent number 8.
But it hampers me, my lord, on the basis of that.
No, we are trying to find out whether you can stand on your own legs, not on the legs of others.
But it hampers me because they have stated in replies that due to pendency of that.
What is this order,
appeal
Mr.
has-
Dhar? 13th September 2023.
Yes. My lord, this order was passed during the pendency of this current writ petition, my lord, this instant
Okay.
writ petition.
বাইরে গোল নেকি? হ্যাঁ? কোথায় দিব? Page order dated
Order dated 13 September 2023.
in September
Page number 191,
19 13 September.
my lord.
13 September. No, that is okay. No, which order? 31/7/2023.
Yes, my lord, this is the order, my lord.
Mr. Sharma.
During
Right to
two thousand twenty-three, my lord, they have not replied any reply against the pendency of that.
Oh,
appeal, my
so please, you are you are a counsel having decades of experience. Is it not? When the court is reading an order, 31/7/2023, please don't interfere at least. Okay, this was on 31/7/2023. An order was passed.
And this is the, my lord, operative portion.
Ah. 1 minute. Last pair 19 20. During the pendency of the repetition, comma, it was brought to the notice of the court by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the appeal preferred by the respondent number 8 was not disposed of. Full stop. Mr. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that disposal of the appeal was necessary as an interim order was operating. An interim order dated. Interim or final?
Interim order, your lordship
Ah.
has recorded earlier.
I have recorded, I forget. Interim order, interim order or final order? Interim or final order?
Dukunto.
Interim or final order?
Percent of order dated 35/12 and
No, final order. Submitted that.
Interim order passed.
Not.
WPC number
In view of
2210.
the order dated 29/5/2015 passed in WPC number 2710/2013 within bracket Purabi Devi versus State of Assam, comma, the respondent number 8 was continuing her service in terms of the original order of engagement dated 26/11/2019. Full stop. The court, comma, by an order dated 31/7/2023, comma, directed the learned government advocate to obtain instructions regarding pendency of the appeal or any order passed in the appeal. Full stop. Urobi Devi. Yes, Mr. Sharma, have you filed any affidavit? Where is that? Anything about the appeal? Affidavit of response number 8.
Paragraph 6, my lord.
Page, running page. 90. 9. Short one.
Paragraph 5 and 6, or 6.
So you said that appeal was pending.
Yes, ma'am.
You said that when did you file the appeal?
5/6/2017.
Right. No, page 66 says that 24/8/2012. And page this order says 13/9/2023. It says that appeal petition 16/12/2015.
Yes. Second. SWD.
Hmm?
Is that
That appeal was filed. For 6 direct.
PLP, Purobi Devi is you.
Responded by the
What is this? I don't know. 1612, I have not come across.
Well, that is why my lord record has been called for.
I don't know, what is this? 1612. Or it should be read as 24/8/2012.
Not 6 direct. That is, that appeal was filed against the report of the DSW.
Which is the DSW? Inquiry report submitted by the then DSW. The DSW is only the DSW means what?
Social welfare. CDPO thereafter is
Who is their order? All confusing.
not.
Is it not, Mr. Dhar?
My lord. So many orders.
Where is this social welfare officer? And I don't know,
16, 12, 15.
don't know.
My lord, this is the appeal petition filed by Purobi Devi, my lord. That
Geez, Purobi Devi.
he has
Right, now
Yes,
come
sir.
to page 66, huh?
66.
We are getting confused. Page 66. Here the third para. The petitioner being aggrieved by the order dated 30/5/2012 issued by the Director of Social Welfare preferred an appeal dated 24/8/2012 before the Commissioner and Secretary, Social Welfare Department, but the same has not been disposed of. That is a bit confusing, sir. We have to ultimately, the trend
Connect.
itself shows that this will not end here.
My lord, maybe my lord, this order dated 13 September 2023, paragraph 4. Whereas no record has been traced out of disposal of the above mentioned appeal petition submitted by Monica Devi. This may be, my lord, that department could not trace out. There are two appeals, my lord, one by the respondent number 8 and other by the writ petitioner. I am whatever. এই যে লেখা আছে অর্ডার কমিটি কথা বলছিল
This appeal petition was annexed in WPC
No,
number 271.
1612. Last line said, this has disposed of the appeal petition submitted by Purobi Devi dated 1612. If 1612, that 2012 appeal, nobody knows.
Yes, madam, they have misled the court, madam, repeatedly.
No, sir, please. Don't make disturbing submissions.
We have nothing, my lord. We are a department, my lord. Somebody will work for us.
If I put the acquisition across you, then why you did not annex that project level selection committee minute dated 8/6/2014? It is easier to throw marks. On that ground itself, I can close your petition for suppression of facts. As a responsible counsel, you should make responsible submission. I am not taking cognizance of that fact. I have mildly said that it has been placed. Right, I could have taken exception to it. that this is a suppression of facts, so case is dismissed. One should not, the counsel should not align with the client and should not be so desperate.
My lord. 2013, my lord. 23, my lord, my lord, my lord, I'm there, my lord. Where, 5, my lord. Whereas in order to dispose of the appeal petition, an enquiry was conducted by the Deputy Director of Directorate of Women and Child Development. The enquiry report submitted by the officer by letter dated 12/9/23 was clearly revealed my lord. Uh, which is centrally located, please. So, my lord, I can get this. Yes, my lord. Basing on a report. My lord. Yes, my lord. My lord.
Does that appeal dated the not a- my lord.
Yes.
Commissioners.
affidavit you have already annexed, comparative statements.
Was this now, my lord? Yes. Contempt petition. Maybe she was in apprehension that it may go against her also. That good. After 10 days, my lord.
4,
Court note.
4/12.
4/11.
4/11. Episode era diyor. Evet.
No,
4,
till
5, 6,
7th he is
7,
not here.
I will 7 up to 7. After 7, 11.
I'm not telling that I, you should do my favor.
March, my lord.
11.
Along with
Publish.